Now question number 4, second part. In the figure 2 given below, ABCDJ parallelogram, find the angles of triangle AOD. Angles of triangle AOD means this. It's clear? इस triangle के angles. Now one angle is this, other angle is this, and third angle is this. It's clear? What will be this angle? Who can tell? Why? Because these are alternate angle. It's clear? This is 35 degree. You can write. So you will write in this way. Angle DAC equals to angle OCB equals to 35 degree. This way you will write alternate angle. It is clear? Then you will write ADO. This angle will be equal to angle OBC equals to 77 degree. This is also alternate. It is clear? Now two angles are known, so how will you find this angle? From angle sum property of triangle. So angle AOD equals to 180 minus 35 plus 77. When you will do this, 180 minus 112 degree. 112, so this is equals to how much? 12, 8, 20, 68 degree. It's clear? So finally you will write, therefore angles of triangle AOD are 35 degree, 77 degree and 68 degree. This you will write. It is clear? Now see here. See the next question. You note down this. Now let us see the third part of question number 4. But before that, you can see one property of rhombus. In rhombus, diagonals are the angle bisectors. Diagonals are the angle bisectors. It means diagonal AC will bisect to angle A as well as to angle C. मतलब ये किसके इक्वल होगा? इसके इक्वल. This will be equal to this. Similarly, this diagonal will be the angle bisector of angle B and angle D. It's clear? Dividing the angle into two equal parts. This is the property of rhombus and square. In rhombus and square, diagonals are the angle bisector. But in the parallelogram, in the rectangle, diagonals are not the angle bisectors. Diagonals are not the angle bisectors. It is clear? So see here, in the figure 3 given below, ABCD is a rhombus. Find the value of x. You have to find this value, x. So see here, there is one property of parallelogram rhombus. What is that property? Sum of consecutive angles equals to 180. इस एंगल का और इस एंगल का सम 180 होगा. क्यों होगा? बिकॉज दिस पैरेलल टू दिस एंड दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. देयरफॉर दीज आर द co-interior angle. These are the co-interior angle. Angle situated in the same side of the transversal and in between the parallels. And in between the parallels. So this and this are co-interior, means their sum will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Now this angle A is given 72 degree. This is given 72 degree. So you can write down angle DAB plus angle CBA equals to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle. Therefore, what will be angle CBA? CBA equals to 180 minus angle DAB. That is equals to 180 minus 72. That is 108 degree. So what will be X here? How can you find? X equals to, yes. And by which property? Diagonals of rhombus bisect the vertical angles. Therefore, X equals to angle CBA upon 2. That is 108. So 54 degree. What is the region? Diagonals of rhombus bisect vertical angles. Bisect the vertical angles. Therefore, X equals to 54 degree. It is clear? Now question number 5. You can see question number 5. Here first part. What do you mean by perimeter? All the sides, sum of all the sides. C, D. Now in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram with perimeter equals to 40. Perimeter equals to 40 centimeter. And find the values of x and y. Here it is given 3x and this is equals to 2y plus 2. It is clear? Here it is 2x and this is not given. Now what is the property of parallelogram? Which property you will use here? Here we will use that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. It is clear? And here we will find out the perimeter in terms of x, not in terms of y. It is clear? Perimeter we will find out by in terms of x. So see here, this is 3x. So what will be this side in terms of x? ये 3x है तो ये साइड x के टर्म में क्या होगी? 3x. Why? Because opposite sides are equal. This is 2x, so what will be this? 2x. So what will be the perimeter? 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x. हम ये y वाला नहीं लिखना चाहते, है समझे? ये थोड़ा उग्रवादी टाइप का है, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं होने देगा. सो 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 2x 7x plus 3x, but in the question it is given 40 centimeter, means 10x equals to 40. So x equals to 4. So this will be equal to how much? 12. 3 into 4, 12. And this is 12. So 2y plus 2 equals to how much? 5. अच्छा, 2y plus 2 equals to 12. 2y plus 2 equals to 12. So what is y? 5. Y will be equal to 5. So this you can do. This I am not doing. It is clear? You can note down here this thing. First you will write this thing in terms of x. It is clear? And then do. Now we see one more question. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. This is 3x minus 20, y plus 15 and x plus 40. You have to determine the values of x and y here. Now here which property of parallelogram will be used? Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Means this equals to that. Angle A equals to angle C. Opposite angles of parallelogram. So 3x minus 20 will be equal to x plus 40. So what is 3x minus x? It is 20 plus 40. So 2x equals to. So what will be x? It will be equal to 30. X equals to 30. This is clear. Now how will you find y? So you know one property. This plus this equals to 180. Why? Because these are the co-interior angles. These are the conjugative angles. Conjugative means which are one after the other. Which are one after the other. It's clear. So see here. First you find out angle A. Angle A equals to 3x minus 20. So when you will substitute the value of x, 30 minus 20, 90 minus 20 equals to 70. Therefore angle B, 180 minus angle A, 180 minus 70, that is equals to 110. It is equal to 110. It is clear? So what will be y plus 15? Therefore y plus 15 equals to 110 degree. So y equals to minus 15, that is equals to 95 degree. This is clear? Is there any mistake here? Apurva? Is there any mistake? Now you see it. Now you see it. X equals to 30 degree. When this is 30 degree, then this angle 3 into 30 minus 20. 90 minus 20, 70. This is 70, so what will be this? 110. Why? Sum of this and this will be equal to how much? 180. When this is 70, so that will be 110. होगा कि नहीं? अरे इन दोनों का सम 180 होगा. ये 70 है तो ये 110. So y plus 15 equals to 110. So y equals to 95. अपूर्वा, जब तक पिटाई न की जाए तब तक समझ में आता नहीं. This is A, B, C, D. This is given 3x plus 2. This is 4x minus 4. And this is given here how much? Y minus 1. It's clear? You have to determine x and y. This is also given that ABCDJ rhombus. ABCDJ rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. So when you equate this and this, what will you get? Value of x will be obtained. So see here, since AB equals to AD, it's clear? Sides of rhombus. So this will be equals to how much? 3x plus 2 equals to 4x minus 4. So 3x minus 4x equals to minus 2 minus 4. Now Tiwari, 3x minus 4x equals to Dutch, minus 2 minus 4 equals to minus 6, and 3x minus 4x minus x. So x equals to 6. It's clear? Now see here, x equals to 6, so you find out AB here. AB equals to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2, 3 into 6 plus 2. 18 plus 2 equals to 20. 18 plus 2 equals to 20. Now you have to determine y. So see here, how will you determine y? You can see here. Here angle A equals to 60 degree, Apurva. What will be this angle? Angle A equals to 60. So what will be angle B? 60? 120? क्यों? इन दोनों का सम 180 होगा. पीछे 3 क्वेश्चन में यही बताया है. This is 60, so this will be 180 minus 60. Because conjugative angles. It's clear? So this will be 120. It's clear? So you find out here. All of you see. First you see. Angle B will be equal to what? 180 minus angle A. That is equals to 180 minus 60. That is equals to 120 degree. Now you can see here. When this angle is 120, so what will be this angle? Why? Because diagonals are bisector of vertical angles. Therefore, angle ABD equals to angle B upon 2. That is equals to 120 upon 2. That is equals to 60 degree. Now all of you see here. Therefore, this angle is 60. Now all of you see this triangle ABD. How many angles are 60? 2 angles are 60. So what will be the third? Third will also be 60. It is clear? And when third is also 60, so this triangle will become, what is the property of equilateral? All sides are equal. मतलब जो AB की लेंथ है वही क्या होगी? BD की होगी. AB की कितनी निकाली है? 20. So BD will be 20. So y equals to 21. It's clear? Y equals to 21 because BD is given y minus 1.